Now, the central government has started a campaign to talk about the benefits of three farm laws. BJP President JP Nadda has asked all party members to distribute Agri Minister Narendra Singh Tomar's letter to the farmers to put out the government's message and sensitize them on the government's views. The party's bigwigs such as Yogi Adityanath also addressed the farmers in Ayodhya to allay the fears. Let's take a listen at this report.
As anti-farm laws protesters stay steadfast, the government is drumming up support from farmers which back the agriculture reforms. The BJP has launched an offensive to convince farming community on benefits of three farm laws. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath met farmers in Ayodhya to hard sell Modi government's ambitious bid to reform agriculture sector.
ये जितना भी काम हो रहा है, इसका एक ही लक्ष्य है, जैसे भी हो अपने अन्नदाता किसानों के जीवन में खुशहाली लाना, उनकी समृद्धि का मार्ग प्रशस्त करना और समृद्धि और खुशहाली का मार्ग निकलेगा तब जब किसान की खेती की लागत को कम किया जाएगा, उत्पादन बढ़ाया जाएगा.
Yogi called the farm laws as comprehensive and criticized those who he said are impediment to farmers' welfare and trying to manipulate the farming community through lies.
किसान सम्मान निधि घोषित किया तो लोग बोलते थे चुनावी शगुफा है. ये चुनावी शगुफा है, ये बागी बाद में वापस ले लिया जाएगा. और अकेले उत्तर प्रदेश में ही अब तक हमारे 2,30,00,000 किसानों को 22,000 करोड़ रुपए से की अधिक राशि किसानों के खाते में प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि के माध्यम से प्राप्त हुआ है.
In Meerut, members of the Hind Majdoor Kisan Samiti took out a tractor rally in support of the farm laws. In Delhi, BJP MP Ramesh Bidhuri took out another rally in Badarpur. Bidhuri informed the gathering about the significance of the three farm laws.
राज्यों के अंदर, मंडियों के अंदर किसान बाध्य होता था अपनी उपज को बेचने के लिए. मंडी वाले उसको पूरी एमएसपी का दाम देते नहीं थे. प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है, देश में कानून बना दिया है कि कोई किसान अपनी फसल को कहीं भी बेच सकता है, किसी को भी बेच सकता है.
BJP organized similar rallies in many places in UP and Bihar in support of farm laws. The farmers in support of the farm laws met Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar at Krishi Bhavan on Sunday. But the big question is, can the government convince farmers sitting in protest for 26 days now? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.